Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can draw a straight line in screens of your app project on Uizard. So let us dive into this. So in the first step, log into your account on Uizard, navigate to your app project through the editor here, and then guys, what you want to do is navigate to the given screen. I'm going to go with this one. And then there's the method, guys, to insert straight lines like horizontal or vertical lines from the shape library here on the left hand side. So navigate to shape here, then scroll through that menu and you will see, for example, vertical dividers or vertical lines, horizontal dividers, and so on and so forth. So left click into the given component, drag it onto your screen, release your left mouse, and then guys, you can customize it. For example, let me close that window here, zoom in. So that's the line, and now you can, for example, resize it like this using these handles or corners, right? So like this, make it change the height and the width and so on and so forth, guys. And you can do the same for vertical line. So draw it, position it here on your canvas. You can also change the fill color here, and that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.